Okay, this is my puppy Regan, and she loves the snow. No! Nope. No biting. Come on. She just buries her face in the snow. Look at that! No biting. No, come on. Nope. No biting. No. No. I don't understand why she does this. Yeah, apparently she likes the icy tundra, so it's a good thing I live in Canada. Let go of the leash. Come on. No, it's not a chew toy. There we go. Yeah, there you go. That's what she does. Yep.